First game of the night, and we doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude. Nova Zeta. Alpha Tribute Zeta. Special summon. Activate effect. I'll get Benton. Zeta. Activate effect. Tribute Benton. Oh, he's got something. He's got something. He's also a donator too. Well, he should have put his playmat. Zeta's gonna get Meteor's DRYTRON. Benton. Is gonna get Herald. Yeah, that's Herald. Herald Born's Light, just in case he has any monster effects. Union Carrier with Alpha and Zeta. Activate effect, target himself. Equip Dawn Knight. Meteor's DRYTRON. Benton in the grave. I'll use Union Carrier. Ritual summon. Dawn Knight effect. To send to the grave. Gamma. Preparation of rites. I get the second Benton, and also add Meteor's DRYTRON from the grave. Gamma. Tribute Benton. Special summon, activate effect. Special summon Alpha. Benton. It's gonna get Vanity's Ruler. Meteor's DRYTRON. Benton in the grave. Oh, look at that, I could even do Alpha. No, I think I'll keep Alpha. I'll use Gamma. With Benton. Tribute summon 2 Bentons. And tribute summon Vanity's Ruler. Double Benton. Double Benton. I could do Ultimateness actually. Ultimates. Ultimateness and Eva. Ooh. Oh, I can't even. Oh wait, yeah, I could. Actually, I could. Meteor's Drytron. Decrease 1000 attack. Add to hand. Hand or field. So yeah, I could do Meteor's Drytron. For ultimateness. Tribute Alpha. Ritual summon. And then he's just gonna surrender. I don't even know what he played. What is he playing? Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I don't know what he's playing. That's the tricky part. I'll just go like this. Triple drop, triple dark, and sit. You're on YouTube. Oh my god, I can't even, he's probably just left already. He bricked? Even though if you brick, just keep playing. Who knows, somebody might misclick. That's an easy win for me. Yep. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. I didn't even know what he played, so that's like a question mark. See you guys.